Hello everyone, I am Cyrus Farzami, a real estate broker and mortgage broker in the Greater Toronto area and the surroundings. Proudly, I am serving both residential and commercial clients with years of experience helping families, investors and businesses. I am here to guide you through what's really happening in today's GTA market. Toronto and the GTA are going through a dynamic period. Whether you are buying, selling, or investing, one thing is clear. The demand remains strong in key pockets, but a smart strategy is more important than ever. Detached homes in the suburbs are stabilizing. Condos in the core and well-established areas will continue to grow in value. There is huge opportunity in the mixed use, rental, and retails. Understanding these trends gives my client an edge, and I am here to help you make informed decisions. Interest rates may be shifting or remaining same, but the right mortgage strategy can still save you thousands of dollars. I help both residential and commercial clients secure the best financing from first-time homebuyers to complex commercial financing. Even if you are self-employed or have unique credit challenges, there are smart options available. I combine real estate and mortgage services under one roof. That means faster closing and one-stop solution. You are not just working with a salesperson, you are working with a strategic partner who's helped many clients over the years navigate the GTA market with confidence. If you are thinking of buying, selling, investing, or need mortgage advice, let's connect today. Visit me at www.homesalestoronto.ca or directly please call me at 416-992-8043. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you for watching my video.